Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel DeleteMaster. In this video, we will see how we can delete the Tribel account by following some easy steps. First, just open your browser on your system. Once you open your browser, type Tribel in the role and search for it. Once the Tribel website is opened, click on the Sign In button, available on the top right corner of the page. Now provide your username or email ID and password once the login page is opened. Complete the human verification, and then click on the Sign In button to sign into the Tribel website. Once you will be logged in, the home page will be displayed to you. Click on the drop-down arrow just present to the right of the profile name on the top right corner of the page. One drop-down list, including the account settings, will be opened. Click on the Account Settings option. Once you will be navigated to the Account Settings page, scroll down and search for the Delete Your Account Permanently section. In that section, the Delete button will be available. Just click on the button. It will ask for the password, so enter your account login password again and click on the Delete button again to confirm your request. Your account deletion request will be submitted and you will be redirected to the login page. Your deletion request will be verified by the Tribel customer team and your account will be deleted within a few days. The user will be notified through email also. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you like our video, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.